Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about changing the text case. We have upper, we have lower, and we have proper. We are going to use these three functions to adjust our text. First of all, I want to apply on these three. I should apply the proper, because you can see we have here the uppercase and here the lowercase, and I have to adjust this. First of all, I want to insert a column in order to help me. Okay, I just insert a column. I type here my formula. I should type here my proper formula. Equal sign proper. After that, I select the text and enter. After that, I use double click here, and you can see here I have the all consonant, and I have here the proper one. Now I just select all of these and copy. I come here, select the first cell and right click and just paste the value. You can see I have here now value and skip. Now I can delete my new column and delete. You can see now it looks proper. And I want to apply here also and insert here a column equal proper my text and enter. Double click here and Control C, select the cell and paste by value, and now I can here and delete my column. Now you can see, because I have used the concatenate formula here, so now it looks proper. And for email address, I should apply the lowercase, because we always use lowercase in email. So I just insert a column right here equal, I write here lower, lower, and select the text, close bracket and enter. You can see it works pretty good, and I just click here. Now I have all my email addresses in lowercase. Control C, come here and paste by value and delete my column. And you can see now my works look pretty good, but here I have the steps here, and this should be in uppercase. I just write here a formula equal upper, select the text, enter. It is California, and it's California, New York, Texas, Los Angeles, Philadelphia, and Control C, paste by value, and just delete my values from here. You can see now I applied upper, lower, and proper in this spreadsheet. Now my work looks way better and prettier. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.